Hi, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are planning for March 9th through March 15th. And I am planning in my Modern Peach, which is a classic size happy planner. And I'm going to be using Teresa Collins stickers and some black boxes. I truly want to say thank you to all of you who subscribe to my channel and are watching my videos. I really appreciate you so much. And for those who are visiting, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe and hit that notification bell so I could have you here on my channel as well. This way you will know whenever I put out a new video. So if you wouldn't mind, just click that subscribe button. So I'm going to start with some checklists, and I'm going to be kind of spreading them around here. And these are a little bit different. I haven't seen checklists like this in any of the sticker books this far. And I really do like them. They're very dainty compared to those big circles that Happy Planner usually has. And I apologize, I need to clean my desk. I haven't done that from the last painting plan with me that we did. So I'll do that shortly. But for now, I'm going to be placing some checklists. And of course, you guys are planning with me, Kasha, the Plannerista 101. So at least few stickers have to be laid crooked so you can lift them up and place them on. At this point, I just giggle because I sound like I'm doing this on purpose. I seriously, for the life of me, cannot put a sticker straight down. Maybe with practice, this will become something that I'll be able to do. For right now, it is not. And I do tend to put stickers on the back of my hand for some reason. But the transfer of the stickers is just so much quicker that it makes sense that I do that. I am being something else with these checklists today, aren't I? It's kind of weird to see me fumble so much. I think this will be one of those spreads that when I finish it with the pen, it's just gonna look spectacular because of the simplicity and the one color type of thing that I have going on. So I'm going to pull out some white quotes. I'm going to pull out some black quotes. And then I'm going to kind of spread them all around. Isn't this awesome? Be you, do you, for you. Teresa Collins has some really beautiful messages. If you don't have her book, well, you can purchase it separately, but you do get it with the Be Happy box, which actually out of all the boxes, I've never gotten one until Teresa Collins. And when she released the box, I actually purchased 2 of them. That's how great I think her stickers and her products are. Even her pencil case is just absolutely gorgeous. And what did I say? Of course, a crooked sticker, like I said. And we're gonna try to put this straight. And let's see what happens. Good vibes only for sure. And then Get Busy Girl is another quote I chose. So I'm just laying the quotes down, and I think that will be pretty great. We have a few things left to do. I have to cover up that peach little note section. I don't want any peach in here whatsoever. And the fact that the binding, or where the rings are, is black and white striped too, I think it's gonna have like a great effect on the spread, where it's just very simple and beautiful and monochromatic. So I'm leaving quite a bit of space, of white space in this spread, and that's for the fact that I'll be putting my events and appointments in those empty areas. So I didn't want a box for those this time. I just wanted to leave it blank and write it right on a planner, and we'll see what happens. So that things to do checklist will go right above notes, on top of notes I shall say. And this way I'll be able to list some of the tasks that are not day specific, and then I'll be able to merge them into a day that I actually do them. And I just need one more quote, and I think that's it, and I'll be done with the spread. I truly hope that you enjoyed this. Leave me comments down below if you have a favorite Be Happy box. Like I said, Teresa Collins was my absolutely favorite. And if you have any requests for specific videos and such, leave me comments down below. I'll do my best to help you guys with your requests if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!